Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahamaya.com, and in this beautiful tutorial, we'll be learning how to create pre-orders product in your WooCommerce store in just few clicks. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you have to scroll down and you have to find plugins. Click on add new plugins. In the search bar, you have to type pre-orders for WooCommerce and you'll get first option pre-orders for WooCommerce by Bright Plugins. This plugin have both the version, free version as well as premium version. Premium version will cost you around $69 and free version is completely free for a lifetime with some limitations. So I always recommend you to purchase premium version to support the developers. Now we'll click on install now. Click on activate. Now if you will scroll down, you'll find pre-orders plugins. You can click here for reaching the setting tab of this pre-orders, or you can find WooCommerce setting. Go to WooCommerce, hover over this and click on setting, open in a new tab. For this one you have reached directly to the pre-order setting. You can go to WooCommerce setting and inside that you can click on pre-orders for changing the settings of the pre-orders plugin. As I told you, free version have some limitations. So pre-order mode is only have one version for free version, rest are for reserved for the pro version. Order only products or the available one. Means the product you are going to mark as a pre-order product, that one only can be bought for this mode. You can select the product which is already available to buy. You can't buy both the product pre-orders as well as available one. Here is the option to change the button title of the pre-order products. For example, you can see here pre-order now, and if you go to any of your product, here you can see pre-order now. I want to make it pre-booking, and then click save, refresh the product. You can see the text got changed to pre-booking and it will be available on 14th of August 2021. I'll go back again to setting part. You can see here date format. So this is your available on date format. This is the date will collect whatever the date you are going to fix in the product. Let's say we are there inside the product part, and inside that pre-order we checked pre-order date is 14/8/2021, and here is showing 14/8/2021. It's available on. You can change here the thing like available on or something you can write here. This will fetch the date format. Next we have pre-order cart notice. This is going to add a notice on the cart page. Go to the product page and let's say pre-booking, and when you move on to cart page you'll see a notice. This item will be available for shipping in the 11 days. You can edit this notice from this section. Let's assume here you can write this much days left for shipping and click on save change. Go to cart, refresh, and you will see note 11 days left for shipping. Now we'll go to the product page, how we'll create pre-order products. For that scroll down and hover the product, click on all product. If you have already built a product, you can find from this area to add a new product. You can click on add new, but I have my product already added, so I'll click on edit. Now scroll down and now click on inventory, and if you scroll down you'll find option pre-order product. This is the pre-order product. You can select this option and you need to select the date when it will be available. So my product will be available on 29th, and once you are done, click on update, preview your product, and you will see pre-orders and available on 29 August 2021. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.